Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301765, and this is a 2013 Dodge Durango Citadel. Our color is white. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we got power locks, windows, mirrors. We have a power driver's seat with lumbar support, memory seat as well. Got our interior and exterior lighting control. Steering wheel features hands-free, stereo remote controls, power telescopic, cruise control, forward collision alert. We are satellite radio ready. Got a CD player, electronic dual and rear climate control with heated and vented front seats. Our traction control, heated steering wheel, parking assist, automatic transmission, all-wheel drive modes, sunroof controls, and our interior color is black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes with a monitor with remote, climate control, spare headphones, heated rear seats as well. Yeah, the seats do fold down for access to that third row, 50/50 split bench seat. And onto our exterior, we've got our running boards, 20-inch Dodge rims, we've got the roof rack, rear parking aid, a rear view camera, fob released hatch. There's all our cargo space. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301765. You've just checked out this 2013 white Dodge Durango Citadel. Thanks for watching.